don't think we did anything.
The place is still a wreck. Cat, you said if we shut the crate, everything would be okay. But it's not. It's a complete disaster.
Well, what are you gonna do? Tennis, anyone? Love that new
Hey, your hat. It's magic again?
Oops. Well, now that the cat's out of the bag, to use an archaic and cruel-sounding metaphor, why don't you serve first?
You had your real hat this whole time?
Yep. I planned the whole day.
What do you mean you planned the whole day? All of it?
Yep.
The house getting trashed?
Yep.
Quinn taking Nevins?
Yep.
Cutting off your tail?
You even knew I'd open the crate?
Why do you think I made it my one rule? I knew you couldn't resist. Now, who's up for a game of Canadian doubles?
Cat, you said nothing bad would happen.
Cat, you need to get out.
I don't know that game.
Not a game. None of this is a game.
But I thought you two wanted to have fun today.
Look around, Cat. You were right. Fun counts, but you have to know how. You don't know when enough is enough. Now go!
Susie. Cromwell. Please.
Out!
Good riddance. Now, this may not be the time for I told you so, but...
I'll get the mop and bucket. Conrad, might want to get out of here until Mom has a chance to calm down.
No, this was my fault. I'll take the blame. Look, Mom will be home any second. Why don't you go upstairs?
I'm not going upstairs. I'm staying with you.
Really? Why?
2 reasons. 1, the stairs are destroyed. 2, this is just as much my fault as yours. We should share the blame.
Thanks, Sally.
By the way, you're a pretty good brother.
Glad you think that. Maybe we can room together at military school. Well, here goes.
Bet you thought I'd gone, bet you felt a sting, bet you never thought I'd have another song to sing. But now they've learned a lesson, allow me to blow your mind by reading for you the small print of the contract that you signed. Okay, Section 8, Article 93, subparagraph 834, right by the Tilly. It reads,